Rockport, Texas, a Gulf Coast city, has been undergoing nuisance flooding as described by Child. Nuisance flooding is caused by the increase in the rate of coastal flooding from high tides combined with sea level rise. This place, along with the Gulf Coast cities, is vulnerable to the threat of nuisance flooding because of melting ice sheets and warming as a result of climate change. And most of Texas' coastal infrastructure was built without any regard for climate change. According to the Sinking Land and Climate Change are worsening tidal floods on the Texas coast, scientists forecast the oceans to continue to rise at an increasing rate as the planet warms, which will increase sea levels between 0.66 and 6.6 feet by 2100. It is forecasted that recurrent nuisance flooding can cause impacts such as frequent road closures, reduced stormwater drainage capacity, and destroyed infrastructure not designed to withstand frequent exposure to salt water. EPA states that these impacts are concerning to Gulf Coast communities because nuisance flooding can affect human health by increasing the risk that drinking water and wastewater infrastructure will fail, which will put people at risk of being exposed to pathogens and harmful chemicals. McCready discusses how solutions to avoid flood damage from storms and high tide flooding can be costly and difficult to create. Many types of coastal protection structures have been used extensively to reduce flood damage or erosion to protect both private and public property, including coastal park properties and coastal sites. Bulkheads and seawalls deflect waves from vulnerable property.